toothache. The night was still gone. Of course, made the whole day much complicated. There will be for sure variables that you never accounted for. I just want to like climb walls. Cold smoothie, tooth pain. I'll get right into it. Hello everyone, welcome to Driving Approach. My name is Alexei. You're watching my next vlog. I remember what number it is, but it's next one. Thursday one. I didn't sleep all night because of my toothache. So I'm gonna go to the dentist today. But the night was still gone without a sleep. It's 9:24 on Thursday, July 2nd, 2022. I'm extremely tired because I didn't sleep all night because my tooth aches. I already booked a dentist right after work, so hopefully they'll be able to fix stuff, you know, but currently I'm in pain. And I wasn't able to bring the pain down enough to fall asleep, so I just stayed up all night. These are the updates for today. But the fact that I didn't sleep all night, of course, made the whole day much more complicated and hard, which was already not such an easy day, but it is what it is. The more I plan and the more I try to prepare for something, the more I understand that planning is just a game plan for whatever you're planning, but there will be for sure variables that you never accounted for that you will have to deal with, so you'll have to always be prepared for more than what you planned for. That's probably a good takeaway. It's 18 degrees, looks pretty sunny, even though you can see some clouds here and there. Those are all the updates. Now all. So I'm gonna continue going about my day. I'm gonna continue working. I'll soon tune in again and tell you guys something more about my day. Today is such a challenging day for me. First, because I didn't sleep all night. Second, because of the toothache. Like, the pain is so bad that I just want to like climb walls. It's just unbearable sometimes. Yeah, just waiting for the end of the day when I'm gonna have a dentist appointment, and hopefully all of that is gonna be resolved. Just trying to survive until that moment. I bought a cold smoothie to help with tooth pain, and it works. It looks like my day is, I don't know, well, first of all, it's coming to an end with every minute. Second of all, it's getting maybe a little bit easier, which is good. I'll take that. Well, I got some time to read a little bit right now, so I'll get right into it and try to distract myself from the tooth pain. Ooh, I survived through this day. Now I'm going to the dentist, so hopefully my tooth pain is gonna be gone and I will feel better. Meanwhile, I wanted to tune in and tell you guys that this video is coming to an end. I'm gonna go to the dentist, and after that, if I'm not gonna be completely exhausted, I will edit and post today's video, and that's about it. Tomorrow's video, the one that I'm gonna record tomorrow, should be interesting, so you guys should stay tuned and check it out. So thank you very much for watching. My name is Alexei. This was Driving Approach. Bye.